Alexa Rundle.
And I'm Alexa Madiak.
And we're both 7th graders from Buckeye Junior High.
And we're here today to show you the Carbon Cleaner 1.0.
While we were studying weather last year,
we learned that scientists have proven that increased levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere have led to increased levels of global warming and health concerns.
These negative impacts will lead to increased water temperatures and changes in weather patterns.
Over 20% of the Earth's carbon dioxide is caused by automobiles alone.
The whole world is affected by this problem, and our invention could decrease levels of carbon dioxide by as much as 20%.
We wanted to develop a way to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide put off by gas-powered automobiles.
So we began to study chemicals that interact with CO2 and could be a potential way to reduce the amount of CO2 produced by cars.
Our solution was to use a pellet form of a chemical called soda lime. Soda lime has been used to trap carbon dioxide in areas where recycled air is necessary, like on submarines.
Our invention would use soda lime inside of a canister filter that would be attached to your car's exhaust pipe.
The soda lime would then trap the carbon molecules and only allow oxygen to escape when exiting the exhaust pipe.
This would allow gas-powered engines to produce less CO2 and would overall decrease the amount of CO2 in our atmosphere.
Our invention is important because we need to do our part to ensure that the Earth is cleaner and in better shape than it is now.
Our goal is to reduce the amount of carbon dioxide by 20%, which will reduce the amount of global warming, CO2 pollution, and improve the health of our future generations.
When developing the carbon cleaner, we made several improvements to our design. First, we put the filter on the outside of the exhaust pipe as opposed to the inside to improve the airflow and to make it easier to replace the used soda lime.
We also improved several other things, such as making the housing out of metal to increase durability and making that metal thinner to decrease size and weight.
Another further improvement was to make an adapter out of a durable rubber that would allow the product to fit any size with no hardware needed. Our last improvement was to make the shell out of a stainless steel to prevent rusting.
So now I'll show you how it works.
The car's engine will produce carbon dioxide, and then the exhaust is sent out the tailpipe. The carbon cleaner is then simply slipped onto the end of the tailpipe with a simple tightening screw.
This will now trap carbon dioxide and allow only oxygen and remaining exhaust to exit the filter with a significant reduction in the CO2. The soda lime is effective for 30 to 60 days depending on your driving habits. When you're ready to change it, simply unscrew the canister, insert a new pouch of soda lime, screw the canister back on, and it's ready for use until it needs to be changed again.
The shell of the filter is 100% reusable and will help reduce waste and save the customer money. The used soda lime can then either be thrown away or could potentially be recycled.
While researching ways to reduce CO2, we came across an article that showed how soda lime is used in oxygen concentrators, also known as rebreathers, and used by hospitals during general anesthesia.
It explained that it was also used in submarines and recompression chambers to exterminate carbon dioxide to make the toxic air breathable.
Therefore, we thought we could manipulate this process to be used to reduce the emissions of carbon dioxide by carbon dioxide emitting vehicles.
There are no other products currently on the market that filter carbon dioxide emissions out of car exhaust.
We hope you enjoyed this quick look at our invention, and thanks for watching.